So you are looking to invest in fixed deposits. In the next 5 minutes, we are going to break down the best FD rates available in India, best FD rates in the most popular banks, and the best rates across tenures. By the end of this video, you will know how you can earn extra 40% returns on your FDs just by selecting the right bank. So let's start with the best FD rates available across India right now. Suryodaya Small Finance Bank gives 8.2% for a 5-year FD. Utkarsh Small Finance Bank gives 7.65% for a 2-year FD. And Slice Small Finance Bank gives 7.5% on a 2-year FD. These rates are for regular citizens. Senior citizens aged 60 and above are eligible for higher interest up to 0.5% by most banks. Here are the banks offering the best interest rates for senior citizens. Suryodaya Small Finance Bank gives 8.4% for a 5-year FD. Utkarsh Small Finance Bank gives 8.15% for a 2-year FD. And Ujjivan Small Finance Bank gives 7.95% for a 1-year 6 months FD. Remember, you can always take advantage of these higher rates for senior citizens by booking FDs for your parents or grandparents. Fixed deposit in these banks are insured up to Rs 5 lakh per bank, including the principal and interest amount by DICGC, a fully owned subsidiary of the RBI. Let's now look at the top interest rate offered by some of the most popular banks in India. SBI offers a maximum rate of 6.45% for tenures between 2 to 3 years. SBI also offers a special rate of 6.6% under the Amrit Vishri scheme for a specific tenure of 444 days. HDFC Bank offers a maximum rate of 6.6% for a tenure of 18 months to 21 months, which is about 1.5 years. Axis Bank offers a maximum rate of 6.6% for tenures from 18 months to 10 years. ICICI Bank offers a maximum rate of 6.6% for tenures between 2 years to 5 years. For senior citizens, these banks may offer up to 0.5% extra. As we can see, for popular banks in India, the highest interest rate is 6.6%, while there are some banks which offer up to 8.2% interest. These 1 to 2% differences in interest rate might seem small, but let's see how they can impact your returns. Let's take an example. Suppose you are booking an FD for Rs 1 lakh. For a 5-year period, Suryodaya Small Finance Bank offers 8.2%, while SBI offers only 6.05%. At maturity, Suryodaya Bank FD will be 1,50,000 rupees, while SBI FD will only be 1,35,000 rupees, a difference of nearly 15,000 rupees, meaning you can earn an extra 42% return by simply choosing the higher interest rate. Let's also quickly cover the best FDs by different tenures. Best short-term FD is offered by Suryodaya Small Finance Bank, offering 7.4% for a 1-year tenure. This FD is useful to park your idle money sitting in a savings account, which would have been earning just 2 to 3% there. This FD also offers instant withdrawal and zero withdrawal penalty. Basically, you earn 3 times the interest compared to your savings account while having money always available to you. Best medium-term FD is offered by Utkarsh Small Finance Bank, offering 7.65% for a 2-year tenure. Best long-term FD is offered by Slice Small Finance Bank, offering 7.5% for a 3-year period. Here's an important update before we end this video. RBI has already cut repo rates 3 times since the start of 2025 by an unprecedented 100 basis point or 1%. These cuts in repo rates directly lead to fixed deposit interest rates falling. Most banks have already cut their interest rates by 0.5 to 1% in the last 6 months. Experts predict more rate cuts to happen in the future. So this is the best time to invest and lock in these fixed deposits and stay worry-free of future rate cuts. Just download the Stable Money app. Use the search feature to compare over 1200 FDs from banks and NBFCs across India. You can filter by interest rate, tenure, payout options, and special features to choose the FD that suits you the best. You can also easily book FDs in banks offering India's best interest rates via the Stable Money app without opening any bank account. And the best part, your amount is insured up to Rs 5 lakh per bank by DICGC, a subsidiary of the RBI. We'll come back soon with the next edition of this video, covering the best interest rates in India to ensure you can make the most of your fixed deposits. Until then, please like, comment and subscribe.